Hi guys, welcome to Seduce Mentors. My name is Ketan. Let's have a look at XIMB final placement for 2020. So their placements are already out, and I'm going to walk you guys through the entire placement. We're going to talk about the companies, the highest package, what sort of profiles are there, which specialization has got the highest offers, so and so forth. Now, there are three programs that we talk about as far as the XIM Bhubaneswar is concerned. So we have this is BM, that's the normal MBA that we talk about. Then you have human resource management, and then we have rural management. Okay, so these are the snapshot of the placement. Total of 107 recruiters. That's a nice number. Out of which 55 were new. Okay, that's nice, because now here you see 50% of the recruiters are actually new. So that shows the reputation or a good industry connect from the colleges side. Okay, 74 PPO were made by the recruiters this year. That's nice. For this, we need to understand how many students are there. I think round about 360 मेरे ख्याल से. So even if you look out round about 360, 365 students, 74 should be round about like 20% of batches getting PPO. That's a great number. Consulting tops the chart, followed by marketing and then IT services and finance. Top brands we'll talk about later on. As per the data presented, 29% is what they are talking about as a consulting. So I think consulting is one of the leading domain as far as XIMB is concerned. Then you have marketing, and then you have IT and ITES. So anyway, we will walk you. I'm only going to walk you through this in a detailed manner. Okay, now this is the sector-wise placement. So if you look at 29, so this is percent of offers. So out of 100, 29% offers were made in the field of consulting. That's brilliant actually. That's really good. So anybody who's looking out for consulting as a career can definitely look out for XIMB. Alright, great. So then you have ITES is number 2, BFSI is number 3, manufacturing FMCG aren't that great. But yes, these are the I would say main specialization that students would always look out for. So I think the numbers are damn good. There's not a huge difference as such. If you look at marketing and finance, if you look at this difference out here, it's not that huge. It's not this is 10% and this is 29%. It's not like that. So it's a very much minor sort of a thing. But again, this is where we can conclude saying that this college is equally doing good in consulting, marketing, and banking and finance domain. Moving ahead, marketing sectors. Okay, 20% of the students got the offer from L'Oreal, Godrej, Emami, Nestle, Tata, Wildcraft. Oh, so now why am I reading this for you? So if you look at 20% of the profiles were given by all these big names, and trust me, these are the big FMCG companies. And as I said, everybody who gets into marketing would love to work for FMCG company once in its lifetime, right? So मेरे ख्याल से this is the great thing. So XIMB is something that can actually give you that sort of an opportunity to kind of get into FMCG. So 21% is a good number. 28% system sector. Okay, this is nothing but the IT and ITES. See, IT is different, and when you talk about ITES, that's sort of little different, right? ITES is something where you have sort of clients wherein you have outsourcing sort of thing, right? So this is where it will come into picture. When you talk about finance sector again, let's have a look at the recruiters. HSBC, Ivy, good. ICRA, good. Axis Bank, okay. ICICI, RBS, HDFC Life, L&T, Trust Vista, that's okay. So the companies coming on the campus of finance are also decent one. 14% batch were given the offer of risk advisory. I always talk about this. This is derivative basically. Investment banking, okay, got to be back end. Corporate finance, wealth management, credit analysis. So overall, I think this looks good. Now let's talk about another sort of sector also. So you can see here, IOCL, GAIL. So you have Navratnas coming on the campus, Tata Steel, TSL, Vedanta. So if you look at overall, the recruiter list looks really good. Okay, now this is the detailed list. Okay, let's have a look at BFSI. Number 1, City. Good. They give profile on FP&A. They give profile in sales. They give profile in corporate finance. They also give profile in the IB backend kind of an operations. So yeah, it looks good. Goldman Sachs, wow, that's again a back end, right? Still, these are the good companies. SBI Card, that's okay. Iska IPO bhi aake gaya tha, not doing that great as a company because of the pandemic and all that. Trust Vista is good. Trust Vista is purely financial analysis, equity research and all that stuff. Trust Vista pay well. Starts with 12 to 14 lakhs actually. So this is a good company to kind of think about. Okay, let's talk about consulting. CapG is good. Blue Star is good. KPMG is good. M&M is good. PwC, TCS, Tiger, IBM, Deloitte, HCL. All these companies are good. All these companies are good. This is Cognizant Business Consulting. So all these companies are damn good, and I think that's the reason this college this seems to be a damn good as far as consulting is concerned. Now, what do we have in FMCG? We already talked about FMCG. We're not going to go back to that. Pharma, healthcare, education, energy, infra, heavy industries. Becton, okay. Cadila, great. You got Merck coming on campus. That's again good. What do you have? HDFC Life, okay. L&T, okay. Decent sort of companies are coming on campus. There's only one good, pharma company coming on the campus. Okay, let's move ahead with the Genman and Strategen system. Good. This is something again you can look at college. See, you can definitely understand if the college is able to give you placements in strategic management and general management, then that college has to be really good. Now here, if you look at the biggies, right? You've got Accenture, GE, HCL, IBM, Infosys, Salesforce. I doubt if this is Tata Administrative Services or not. TCS. Now if you look at all these recruiters, you will be seeing them in top colleges also. They are in there in top 10, top 15 B schools also, and they are coming here also. So again, you can see that even after getting into XIMB, you can still make it to these companies, wherein these companies are also visiting top-notch B schools of the country. So definitely you will be working with them. So even after getting into corporate, you can have a great peer group, and that's where you can grow the ladder up. I always say that your placement is nothing but the opportunity that you get. So I think this looks damn good. This really looks good. Technology, again, we know most of the companies, right? Operations, pharma hoga, e-commerce hoga. So these are again the common companies that we have. Overall, this really looks promising. Now, the slide that we've been waiting for, right? Okay, so I said like 365 bachalo. Total women participants, total number of companies 107, 55 new recruiters, 20% PPO. Average salary they are claiming is around about 15.42 lakh. But I would love to see the median salary. Okay, so median salary is good. 15 lakhs is good. Highest CTC domestic is 26. This is little bit lower. I would expect this to be, looking at the companies that are coming on the campus, they should be paying a little bit more. But TK, this is not that bad. Still fine. International salary 58.22 lakhs. Okay, that's fair enough. Average CTC for top 50% offers. Let's look at median. Median is 17.70. So again, if you are somebody who's getting into XIMB, you can still be coming out of this B school with a good amount of money, or with a good package. So if you look at there are colleges like JB, then you have TIS and all that. So you are only gonna make 4 to 5 lakh less, or 3 to 4 lakhs less if you are not if you are in top 50% of the population. But again, if you are in top 10%, I'm very sure you might be crossing 20 lakhs plus. So again, this college looks really promising. Placement wise, it's good. Company wise, it's good. We also talked about roles the college is offering. Even the roles are really good and the profiles are good. So far so good. Okay, so highest CTC average wise. Okay, so this 26 lakhs is actually given for consulting role. That's good. So 26 is highest, 16 is the average. Marketing, this is international placement, looks promising. System, this is Genman. I am little bit, I'm surprised also, and I'm happy also, because most of the time you will be seeing finance going the ladder up, at least finance giving more packages, or good profiles as far as the these ranked B schools are concerned, like colleges which are coming in the zone of XIMB and all that stuff. But here I'm a little surprised, because if you look at system and general management profiles are getting paid more than finance, and that's the reason I think this college is doing really good. Operations is also good. So if you are somebody who wants to join this college, I can definitely say yes, you can go for this. But again, you can speak to the alumni out there, and you can definitely get to know from them. So let's have a quick look at the total number of companies coming on the campus. So yeah, you can pause the video and you can go through this recruiter list. That's it from my side. I think it's a decent college to be you can opt for. Looks really promising, and eventually it'll grow as a brand, right? Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, humble request to kind of subscribe to my channel. I will be kind of putting these sort of placement reports for all the colleges eventually. So yeah guys, that's it from my side, and thank you so much for watching this video.